In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and install this free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then to use it, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and then choose Continue twice. Now click on While using the app or Only this time. Select Allow in all available pop-ups and close and add. Finally, you can manage all of those options however you want to, or click on Set as Default at the top and click on iOS Launcher. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your launchers, you can always do that by going into the same launcher app. Hitting Set as Default and tapping on Honor Home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!